Hey guys, how are you all? I'm good and I hope you're all doing well. We have successfully created YouTube channel in the last video. If you didn't watch it, then don't worry, I have mentioned the link in the description. To set up our channel, first we need a logo and channel art. So, this video presents you on how to create a professional logo for your channel, that too for free. So, without much ado, let's begin. Open any browser and type canva.com in the search bar. Otherwise, I have mentioned the link in the description. From there, you can directly get access to this website. Once you open, you will be asked to sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or Gmail account. Canva is available for free. If you want, you can upgrade to Pro version as well. Since I already have an account on Canva, I will directly click on Login button. I will log in with my Google account. If you want, you can log in with your Gmail account as well. We have logged in successfully. This is the interface of canva.com. To create a logo, simply click on Create a Design at the top right corner. And then type logo in the search option. Once you do this, you will be shown with many kinds of logos like animated logo, business logo and all. If you want, you can go for it. But for now, I will click simply on logo. This is the canvas on which we are going to create a logo for our channel. At the leftmost corner, you have templates of logo. If you want, you can create a logo using these templates. Otherwise, you can take a blank canvas and create on your own. Then we have an option Uploads, where we can upload images or videos downloaded from other sources. Then we have Photos and Elements containing stock images, from where you can simply click and use in your logo creation. Next we have text option. There are many font styles available. Whichever the one you like, you can pick the one. Finally, we have an option to include different backgrounds as well. If you want to use text, background or any image, the only thing you have to do is simply click on it so that it will automatically be dragged onto the canvas. Since our channel name is TechCat India, I have some uploaded images downloaded from other sources. I am going to create our logo in such a way that it represents TechCat India perfectly. Now, I am taking headphones image. Once you click on it, you can rotate the image in whichever the direction you want, as you are seeing. You can even adjust the size by clicking on dots present at the corners. Now, I again go to Uploads and click on the cat image. Then, I am going to adjust the cat and headphones in such a way that it looks as if the cat is wearing headphones. Yes, it's almost done. Next, I will add a mobile phone and then try to adjust it in front of the cat to give a feeling as if cat is using that phone. Now, this logo perfectly represents a tech cat. Now, I will add a bit of text and see if it looks good or not. I am going to add this font style. If you feel you don't need certain elements, you can simply click on it and press delete button in the keyboard. I will type India and then try to fit it into this small mobile phone. You can change font color as well. Simply click on the text, then press this A symbol. It will take you to color panel, from where you can choose whichever the color you want to by locating this little white dot. For our logo, yellow is looking good. And now even sky blue is looking nice. I will choose sky blue over yellow. To position your logo perfectly on the canvas, simply press Ctrl A on your keyboard and then position it perfectly by moving it on the canvas. That's all, our logo is ready. The next thing you have to do is simply click on download at the top right corner. You can download your logo in any format, but I prefer PNG format. You can even save your design by clicking on File option. That's all, we have successfully created a simple but professional logo for our channel, that too for free. I hope it was helpful. If you like my videos, please do like and share on social media. Meanwhile, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive regular updates about my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.